So now we're moving to number 2 for the day. The school cafeteria paid 96 cents for 12 packages of crackers. How much should each package cost? So when we're setting up our problem, we want to think about what's the question talking about. So we're talking about the school cafeterias buying those little packs of crackers that you might have with your salads. So the question wants to know how much did we pay for one. So I've underlined each and I've put one. So I want to know the cost of one cracker. The total that they paid was 96 cents for all 12 of them, and they came in 12 packages. So we're going to do 96 hundredths divided by 12 to find that price of one individual cracker packet. So I'm going to start by setting up an area model. Very similar to when we're multiplying, we have this rectangle. Off to the side, I'm going to put 12 because I'm trying to make 12 groups. And up on the top, I'm going to write my 96 hundredths. I broke it down into 9/10ths for the tenths place and then 6/100ths. So if I combine these together, 9/10ths and 6/100ths is equal to 96 hundredths. But I've broken them down by place value so I can kind of focus on what's going on. If I need 12 of a group and I know I have 9/10ths, 12 is bigger than 9, so I know that I can't use tenths here because I only have 9. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and exchange those down or decompose those down to my next place value. So I have 9/10ths, and I'm going to move those next door to my hundredths place. So think about your place value charts, how we know that a tenth is 10 times the size. So as I'm moving this over, I'm going to multiply it by 10. So now instead of 9/10ths, I have 90 hundredths. So I have 90 hundredths plus the 6 that were already there. So when I add these together, I now have 96 hundredths that we're working with. So 90 cents, essentially like pennies, is what we're working with at the moment. And I need to have 12 groups. So some of you may be extra special with your multiplication, and if so, you might already know 12 times what is going to get me close to 96. But if not, I'm going to come off to my side and I'm going to write those facts. So this is similar to bag of tricks, how we're writing them off to the side. I know 1 times 12 is 12. 2 times 12 is 24. 5 times 12 is 60. So I'm getting pretty close. I'm at 96 and now I'm at 60. So I'm going to not go up to 10 because that would be 120. So I'm just going to pick up at 6. 6 times 12 is 72. 7 times 12 is 84. I'm still not at 96, so I'm going to continue to go. 8 times 12 is 96. So that's that golden number that I'm looking for. So I know that there are 8 groups of 12 in 96. So I know that they're going to get 8. But 8 what? Is it $8 per pack? Is it 8/10ths per pack? Is it 8 hundredths per pack? So you're really going to focus on where you're at in your area chart. Right now, my 96 is in my hundredths place. So this 8 would be 8 hundredths. Okay? Oops, sorry. 8 hundredths. Or like having 8 pennies. So it's going to cost 8 cents for that one packet of crackers.